The program of this topic is Bachelor of Science first year. Subject is Botany, Semester 1, paper code is BOC 101 and paper title is Biodiversity 1, Microbes. Title of the unit is Microbes, module name is DNA virus, wherein you are going to study about the DNA virus T phage. Outline is introduction of bacteriophages, again types of bacteriophages and structural feature of T phage viruses. In this you are going to learn about DNA virus, that is bacteriophages, and in this you are going to study about the types and structure of T phage viruses. So starting with bacteriophages. What are bacteriophages? These bacteriophages are viruses eating bacteria. This has come from Greek, wherein bacterio means bacteria and phagein means to eat. In other term, it is also called as viruses attacking bacteria. Now coming to its discovery, this virus was first discovered by British scientist Frederick Trott in 1915 and it was more fully studied by French investigator D. Harley in 1917. These viruses are specially adapted for adsorption and penetration through rigid cell wall in most of the prokaryotic cells. There are different types of the bacteriophages present in the environment, and each of the bacteriophage has specific role to play, and usually according to the study it is found that each of the bacteriophage attacks only one species of the bacterium or only one strain of the bacteria. Now what are these T phages? These T phages are one of the important type of the bacteriophage. They are classified under DNA viruses because they contain a genetic material that is double-stranded DNA. These T phages are also called as coli phages. Now why they are called as coli phages? It is because they are capable of destroying one of the known bacterium, that is E. coli. So along with that, other T phages viruses are also called as coli phages. In these T phages viruses, again there are several types. They are categorized into 7 different types by 2 main type of the categorization, that is T-even phages and T-odd phages. T-even phages are numbered as T2, T4 and T6, while T-odd phages are numbered as T1, T3, T5 and T7. Now coming to the structure of T phages, they have been categorized into 3 different structural components, that is nucleic acid type, head and tail. Now as we can see, T-even viruses and T-odd viruses, they both have similar type of nucleic acid type, that is double-stranded DNA. Now if we look at head and tail, they both vary. In case of the T-even viruses, the head is polygonal and it is also can be a icosahedron type of head. While in case of T-odd viruses, the head can be a hexagonal or sometimes it can be a polygonal too. Coming to the tail part, T-even viruses will be having a contractile tail, while the T-odd phages, that is T1, T3, T5 and T7 will be having either short tail, either long tail, or it can also have a non-contractile tail. Now out of all these 7 coli phages, now we know why they are called as coli phages, because they attack the known bacterium, that is E. coli. So out of these 7 E. coli or coli phages, the most studied one is the T4 virus. So this T4 virus or T4 phage virus, it is, now coming to its structure, it is a tadpole shape wherein it will be having a head part, as you can see here. It shows a head part and a tail part and a tail fiber. This T phage virus, the width of this head of the T phage virus is 650 angstrom and the length of this virus is 950 angstrom. So starting with the categorization, firstly they have the head part, which is a polygonal or hexagonal, or it can be also called as icosahedron type of head. Now sometimes this also might look as a prism like in outline. So this head, it will have the DNA in them. So this DNA is linear and it is 500 nanometer in length, and as you can see it looks like a ball of yarn. So this DNA is surrounded by a protein sheet which will be a two-layered, it will be present in the two-layered of protein sheet. So this protein sheet will be having 2000 of the capsomere. Then head is followed by the next layer, that is the collar. Now this collar region is an intermediate region which will be connecting both head and tail. Followed by collar we have the tail part. Now in the tail part, the starting part that we have is the hollow core. Now as you can see, the hollow core is a tubular which connects the tail and the base plate. So this hollow core is surrounded by this kind of structures which are called as sheath. After that, hollow core it terminates into the base plate, wherein there are number of the tail fibers attached. So each of the tail fiber is attached to the corner of the base plate. Now this function of this tail fiber is that it carries the DNA. When the bacteriophage or this T phage attacks the bacterium, it ingests the DNA from the hollow core from the base plate to the bacterium. Now these are some of the other structure of the remaining viruses, that is T2, T4 and T6. Now T2, T4, T6, that is the E1 viruses, they have the similar kind of shape, that is the tadpole shape. While as we have seen in the structural categorization, T3 and T7 will be having a polygonal head and a short non-contractile tail. While in case of the T1 and T7, as we can compare with the other two viruses, they have the polygonal kind of shape and a long tail which is also a non-contractile. Now to summarize what we have studied before, we studied about the bacteriophages. As we know, they are the viruses which attacks the bacteria. It was discovered in 1915 first by Frederick Thwart, and then it was again studied by D. Harrely in 1970. They are special function, or they are specialized for adaptation and penetration to the most of the prokaryotic cells. Again, they are of different types, but all those different types will be having a different function, that is each of the bacterium will be attacking only one strain of the bacterium. Again, we studied about the different types of the T phages, wherein we saw two types, that is T1, Te1 and T-odd. Te1 are T2, T4 and T6, while the T-odd is T1, T3, T5 and T7. Then categorization of the structure based upon three types, that is nucleic acid, head and tail. Te1 are double-stranded, they have polygonal and icosahedron type of head, and the tail is contractile. While in case of the odd, the nucleic acid type is double-stranded DNA, the head can be hexagonal or polygonal, and the tail can be short, long or non-contractile. And this was the tadpole structure that we studied in T4. That is head, DNA, protein sheath, collar, hollow core, sheath, base plate and the tail fibers. And what is the function of the tail fiber? The tail fiber performs the function of adsorption of the bacteriophage to the bacterium. And these are the remaining structure of the viruses, that is T4, T2, T6 having tadpole, T3 and T7 having the short contractile tail, T1 and T7 having the long and non-contractile tail. These are the viruses, as you can see, Chandral Microbiology book, then Wikipedia, then from the Britannica and the biological discussion, which was one of the most important references. Thank you.